Welcome back to this Chocolatey for Business feature series. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Package Builder. Package Builder allows you to take your MSI and EXE binaries, your zip files, and your scripts, and lets you generate fully unattended Chocolatey packages in as little as 5 to 10 seconds. Package Builder accomplishes this by inspecting the installer, determining all the silent arguments, and complete packaging components for you, saving you sometimes hours of time that you would have spent packaging and maintaining that software. Now, best of all, you can use Package Builder from a graphical user interface or a command line. So not only can your junior admins or your frontline help desk staff access Package Builder GUI via right-click context menu, but your DevOps and your automation teams can also use the power of the pipeline. And they can build the Choco new command into their Jenkins, TeamCity, and other CI/CD tasks. Now let's actually take a look at Package Builder in action. So I have a Windows 10 VM here that's licensed with Chocolatey for Business. And I can quickly determine that it's licensed with Chocolatey for Business by typing the Choco command here. And I'll get this nice output saying that, yes, I am licensed with Chocolatey for Business. Excellent. Now, many of our open source users know that the traditional DIY manual method of creating a package was the Choco new command. If I go ahead and run this command, I get these nice template files, the scaffolding, if you will, that'll help me manually build out this package. So I'm going to go into the 1Password folder and take a look. I get this to-do here, and this to-do offers me all this just-in-time documentation talking about the community repository and some of the distribution rights limitations, as well as how to actually build this package by determining the package type and filling out those package contents. So some nice documentation there. If we go into the new spec here, this is our metadata file, and this is an XML, but of course everything's commented in here, some instructions and documentation on how to build out this file, your version, your title, your author information, but all still manual process filling all that out. And if we go into the tools folder here, we can see under the Chocolatey install.ps1 this PowerShell script. Here's where we're going to build out all our package parameters, our arguments, etc., silent arguments, all the information to pass over into the actual install functions for Chocolatey. Now again, as you can see, this is very much a manual process, very DIY, and we've had open source users tell us that it can take them a couple of hours to a couple of days to even up to a week to generate a single package manually. So now let's take a look at how quickly we can do this with Package Builder. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly delete this folder because we don't need it anymore. And we'll take a look at this 1Password executable we have right here. So now because I have Package Builder as a feature, because I'm fully licensed with Chocolatey for Business, I get these nice context menus here. So this option is going to let me create a Chocolatey package using the Package Builder GUI, and this one lets me use the command line version. So let's take a look at the GUI version first. So if I go ahead and click the first option, I get this nice Package Builder UI here, and this UI is going to give me some optional stuff I can fill out here, like these silent arguments, and if I had a 32 and 64-bit version of the installer, I could specify that here. As well, I have additional options that I can pick. In here, the new spec that we talked about before, of course, this is metadata that we can fill in, but we don't have to. Again, all of this is optional. The great thing about Package Builder as a feature of Chocolatey for Business is it does a great job of inspecting that EXE and MSI and pulling out a lot of this information for you, so you don't have to do any of this heavy lifting. Now I'm going to just go ahead and click Generate here, and as soon as Chocolatey for Business Package Builder gets up and running, it's going to take it less than 5 seconds to generate this package for me. And there you go, I got the completed prompt, and now I can close this out, and I can see I have my 1Password package ready to go. So this is ready to push up into my internal repository, upload, and deploy across my organization. Now, just for completeness, I'm going to go ahead and show you the non-interactive command line version of this command as well, and what that output looks like, just to show you that it looks the same. So we right-click here. We can see we get these context menus again. Now I'm going to choose to create the Chocolatey package without the GUI. And when I click here and this goes up and running, Chocolatey for Business should only take another 5 seconds there to generate the package, and it's ready to go. So I can see in this 1Password folder now I have this new package file. And it's as simple as that. Now in our next video, we're going to take a deeper dive into the Chocolatey package that Package Builder has built for us, as well as some of the other ways in which we can use the power of Package Builder.